Welcome aboard. This is Richard Featherstone, and I'm providing a quick tutorial on how to gain member access to mybibledevotions.com. So if you're on a particular page on the website, you'll notice that up here in the right-hand corner is a login link. You can also log in by following either the forum or the members section. So let's say that you want to go into the forum. You can see that there are some publicly accessible readings in here, various posts that I've done, and certainly you could click on one of these and you could read through it. But if you want to comment or to follow the post, the website is going to require you to sign up. If you've already signed up and been approved for the site, then you'll just simply click here on login, and you can log in as you did previously. If you haven't yet logged in, then you'll want to just stay on this sign up page, and you have multiple options on how to sign up. You can sign up with Facebook, Google, or with an email. You'll notice down here there's a little checkbox for join the site's community. I recommend that you do this because it allows you to have more access to leaving comments, following others, and the like. So that's optional, but I recommend that you just go ahead and join the site's community. When we interact together, I think we can learn from each other, so that's good. So you want to go ahead and choose the particular way you want to get in. For my demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and sign up with email. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. I put in my test account just for demonstration purposes and a password. And then once you've done this, you're going to go ahead and click sign up. You should get some type of message that you've been successful. And just to let you know, in order for you to get into the member section, I actually have to approve anyone who requests access. So I do that not to make it difficult or only let my friends in, but rather just to make sure that the person who's going in isn't a troll or somebody who just wants to cause trouble and be a problem. We don't want to have a site that is overwhelmed by spam or people who want to argue about theology because they come from a particular point of view and they are convinced that everyone else is wrong. So that's not the purpose of the site. So I went ahead and put the obstacle in. So what will happen is once that you request member access, then you'll receive an email, and you simply go up here to your email, whatever that might be. In this particular case, I'm using Gmail. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And it says, you're about to become a member of My Bible Devotion. So what this is really just telling you is that you're in the queue waiting for approval. And I try to get approval done quickly within the day if I'm able. So once you receive this email, you'll just wait and I will approve it, and then you'll get another email. And let me show you what that's going to look like. I've gone ahead and approved this account. So you can see what that looks like. If you click up here, you'll get another email after you get approved. So you can essentially just once you get this first email indicating that you've signed up and are requesting membership, there's nothing really to do until you get this next email that says, welcome, you have been approved. Now you're a member of mybibledevotions.com. So you'll just need to confirm your email address so that you put that in correctly and the system can verify you. You can do that simply by going down here to confirm. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then it says welcome to your account. You can now edit your account info. You can go back into the site itself. Once you're at the site, you can easily log in from various locations. You could go to the forum and log in there. You can log in through members, or you can just obviously follow the link that says login. The thing to remember is the default setting for the login is to sign up. This is for people who want to become members for the first time, so it's super convenient for them. For those of you who've already been approved to get into the site, you'll just want to click on this login button. You'll log in the same way that you chose to sign up. So in my particular case, I have an email address, and I'm going to go ahead and log in with that. You'll notice once you look up at the top that there's now a T representing my test account. That's the first letter of my first name. And you can click here to look at your profile, to look at your account, to log out. I'll have a tutorial on these features set up and available later. There's also opportunities to go into the forum now where you can interact on various features that you didn't have before. So for example, you can choose to follow a particular topic. So if you're part of the New Testament readings and you say, hey, every time there's something posted here, I want to go ahead and get a notification on that. You can also create your own posts. You can, let's say for example, I go into the New Testament readings, I can create a new post in here. It can be a discussion or a question. Again, I'll go into more detail about how you can interact with the forum. You can also like a particular post that you see. So really great way to interact with other people. And as I mentioned, I'll provide some tutorials on how to use the forum, how to interact with other members, how to check your notifications or change those notifications, and how also to update your profile in my account. So look forward to those tutorials in the future. This one was just simply created so that you can learn how to both sign up for the website membership and then also how to log in the future. So feel free to explore and let me know if you have any ideas or suggestions on how I can improve the site and how we can encourage each other as we read through the New Testament. God bless.